Hi everyone, good to see you again today for another video about Nextdoor Automation. Today I came across this post, so today's topic will be covering HVAC industry. So I see this gentleman has made a post about 11 hours ago and basically offering his services to neighbors, and he has one video and some additional picture showing his work, so all good about that. And I went, or maybe you want to see his profile. And again, I'm very slow, sorry. I'll need to do something about improving the quality of the memory on my computer. So we're visiting his profile. So he has a personal profile, and wow, very slow again. I should have opened it a little bit earlier. And we are going to see the history of his profile post. Finally it comes. So he has not made a personal banner on his personal profile, unfortunately. At least he explaining his background. He could add some contact details, for example, in order to improve his it's very slow. It says no post yet, but I think it's still loading. We're going to see the post coming. Okay, finally. So we see the post that he posted 11 hours ago, now 12. My computer is so slow that 1 hour has passed. And we see, so the previous post was done 2 months ago, approximately. So that's where we see the difficulty for small business owners to be present online. Is, of course, their main job is to do their job on site and satisfying customer. They probably don't have that much time to serve, to make prospection, to find new customers. And if we go a little bit back in time, he made another, so he made 2 posts the same day, apparently 3 posts. So there's no regularity in the posting. Then we go to the 14th of February, which is not related to his business, just wishing a good day with a misspelling that somebody picked up. I cannot blame him. I'm French, so my English is probably not perfect. And another post in December. So yeah, obviously he does not have time to do proper prospection job. He's duplicating the same images. I guess he would have much more to show to his potential future customers than to do what he has done. It's of course better than nothing, but there's lack of regularity, organization, and basically what we offer this type of small business owners is a proper regular prospection, which becomes seamless for as long as it has been organized in the past, and we let the robot and the automation do its job seamlessly, so that once the job is done for the programming in ahead of all the posts, you are then free to focus on your core business, which is in that case servicing customers in the HVAC factory. Sorry, a bit difficult for me to pronounce. So of course we can help this type of profiles to optimize their background image and everything, so that it does not look like a little bit abandoned or not properly made. And we're going to discover another type of HVAC company that I saw in the local deals. So apparently this company has made a kind of paid publication, and their ad is going to end soon. and is offering a free drain cleaning service for this weekend only. So we visit this company's profile. This is now not a personal profile but a pro page, and we have here of course more information, the address, location. We can get directions if we click on that link. We get also the email address, website. So it looks, let's say, more professional, but they seem to have also limited activity on their pro page. They may have a personal page that hopefully is better and has a increased post activity, but this gives you some idea of how automation could be improved, because of course you want to reach your potential neighbors, your future prospects, and unlike Facebook, where when you post something you do not get shown to your neighborhood, the biggest advantage on Nextdoor is that potentially all your neighbors may see your post. There's no restriction in that unless some user have kind of muted your profile. But nevertheless, if you post regularly, you increase your chances to be seen on a regular basis, let's say 3 times a week, to a large amount of your neighbors. So even for this company, it would probably make sense to try automation as we propose it, and to improve the reach of their posting. So that was a short video on a specific industry, HVAC in that matter, and well, let's meet again tomorrow. Have a nice day.